Think back to the steel workers of the 1970s who pulled double shifts in sweltering factories without a single complaint. They did not have expensive pre-workout drinks or fancy gym memberships, yet they possessed a rugged physical stamina that most modern men only dream of. The forgotten secret behind their relentless energy was not a chemical stimulant, but a collection of ridiculously cheap nutritional pills that sat quietly in every working lunchbox across the country. Today, clinical researchers at institutions like Pennsylvania State University have finally proven that these 5-cent staples literally rebuild cellular endurance from the inside out. Before we begin, tell us in the comments what your hardest job was and how you survived the long hours. We are reading and replying to every single comment with personalized tips for your situation. Now let us go back in time to fix your health, starting with number 4. Number 4, the Stamina Sphere, wheat germ oil capsules. In the 1970s, amber-colored capsules of wheat germ oil were a massive staple in the lunchboxes of factory workers and the gym bags of elite athletes. This was not considered a trendy superfood, but rather a functional tool that men used to survive grueling physical shifts. We now know that they were unknowingly ingesting a highly specific compound that changes how human muscles breathe. The secret is not just the oil itself, but a naturally occurring long-chain alcohol called octocosanol. Seniors often experience a rapid physical decline during exertion, which is a condition driven by poor oxygen utilization in aging muscle tissues. You try to walk up a steep hill or carry heavy groceries, and you suddenly feel completely gassed out. This lack of oxygen is the precise reason why simple daily tasks suddenly feel like climbing a mountain. Your body simply cannot process the air you breathe fast enough to fuel the movement. But here is the shocking part. Octocosanol has been clinically shown to radically improve the efficiency of oxygen uptake in your muscle tissue while simultaneously sparing muscle glycogen during physical exercise. Researchers at the University of Tsukuba Institute of Health and Sports Sciences analyzed this specific compound and found that octocosanol supplementation massively increased running endurance time and improved biochemical parameters after exhaustion. This is huge because it means your aging muscles can do significantly more work before they run out of fuel. Most people do not know this, but wheat germ oil also delivers a massive dose of natural alpha-tocopherol, which is the most active form of vitamin E. This acts as a lipid-soluble antioxidant that actively protects the fragile cell membranes of your aging mitochondria from severe oxidative stress. That oxidative stress is the exact biological mechanism that causes delayed onset muscle soreness and profound fatigue after a long day. By protecting your mitochondria, you preserve your cellular energy factories. Start by taking 1,000 milligrams of cold-pressed wheat germ oil in capsule form every morning with your breakfast. Make sure you choose an unrefined version to guarantee the octocosanol content remains intact. Within a few weeks, you'll notice that your legs feel lighter and your breathing remains steadier during your daily walks. Before we continue, smash that like button and subscribe right now. Don't miss the life-changing tips still ahead. Number 3, the Thyroid Spark, Icelandic kelp tablets. Half a century ago, workers living thousands of miles away from the ocean relied on tiny dark green tablets of compressed sea kelp to keep their daily energy high. This practice was a cheap insurance policy against the brutal fatigue of long winters, but it has been largely lost today due to the rise of trendy, uniodized pink salts. The biological reality is that these workers were feeding the most important energy regulator in the human body, which is the thyroid gland. unexplained chronic fatigue in seniors is frequently misdiagnosed as just a normal part of getting older, when it is actually a textbook case of subclinical hypothyroidism. Your thyroid gland requires dietary iodine to synthesize the specific hormones that literally dictate the basal metabolic rate of every single cell in your body. When you lack this crucial mineral, your cellular engines simply power down. But here is the shocking part. A simple 5-cent kelp tablet provides highly bioavailable natural iodine that acts as a direct spark plug for your thyroid. This effectively turns your metabolic thermostat back up to youthful levels. Researchers at the Boston University School of Medicine have highlighted that iodine deficiency in the elderly is a hidden epidemic that destroys daily vitality. Without optimal thyroid hormones, no amount of sleep or caffeine will fix the sluggishness, the cold hands, and the dense brain fog that ruins your afternoons. When this happens, your entire biological system slows down to conserve whatever precious energy is left. You become trapped in a state of hibernation that makes daily activity feel completely impossible. You cannot feed a cell that is biochemically asleep. Fixing your thyroid baseline with a natural iodine source is the absolute prerequisite for any other energy intervention to actually work in an aging body. Kelp delivers this iodine in a whole food matrix that your digestive system recognizes and absorbs instantly. Most people assume they get enough iodine from table salt, but modern diets rely heavily on processed foods and gourmet sea salts that contain zero active iodine. Start by taking one small kelp tablet containing 150 micrograms of iodine every morning with a glass of water. Never take massive doses of concentrated liquid iodine without medical supervision, because your thyroid requires a slow and steady supply to function properly. This small daily habit will steadily rebuild your hormonal baseline over 30 days. Now get ready, because this next one is even more powerful and acts as the ultimate metabolic engine for your food. Number 2, the metabolic engine, brewer's yeast tablets. During the golden era of physical culture, serious weightlifters would intentionally swallow intensely bitter tablets made from the nutrient-dense byproduct of the beer brewing process. They pressed this foul-tasting powder into solid pills so they could bypass the taste and flood their bodies with raw metabolic power. They did not understand the molecular science at the time, but they knew it allowed them to train for hours without crashing. Today, clinical science reveals that brewer's yeast is the original whole food vitamin complex that acts as a literal metabolic engine for human digestion. Seniors often eat enough calories, but still suffer from profound exhaustion due to a condition called type B malnutrition. As your stomach acid naturally declines with age, your body loses the ability to extract essential micronutrients from your meals. Brewer's yeast solves this problem completely because it provides a massive pre-digested dose of thiamine and vitamin B6. These are the precise coenzymes required to convert dietary carbohydrates and proteins into actual cellular energy. This is huge because simply eating healthy food does not give you energy if you lack the specific chemical spark plugs required to ignite that fuel. Without these vital metabolic sparks, your body will simply store the calories as fat while leaving your muscles starving for energy. This creates a dangerous cycle of constant hunger paired with chronic physical fatigue. But the benefits go significantly deeper than just basic vitamins. Brewer's yeast is nature's richest source of a critical compound called glucose tolerance factor chromium. Researchers at the United States Department of Agriculture Human Nutrition Research Center found that nutritional chromium aggressively improves insulin sensitivity. This means that instead of blood sugar circulating uselessly in your veins and causing severe diabetic lethargy, it is rapidly pushed directly into your muscle cells for explosive physical energy. When seniors lack this specific type of chromium, they experience massive energy crashes immediately after eating lunch. By adding brewer's yeast to your routine, you repair the exact pathway that turns your food into usable strength. Start by taking 3 tablets of high-quality unfortified brewer's yeast right before your heaviest meal of the day. Make sure you purchase a brand that specifies it is naturally grown so you get the full spectrum of trace minerals. You will quickly notice that your post-meal brain fog disappears and your physical stamina remains steady throughout the late afternoon. But that is nothing compared to number 1, which is the most historically validated nutritional secret of the entire century. Number 1, the blood builder, desiccated beef liver tablets. In the massive steel mills of the 1950s, the hardest working men on earth would regularly swallow up to a dozen pure defatted liver tablets to survive their brutal shifts. This was the ultimate cheap meat pill that delivered incredibly concentrated protein and blood-building factors without the high cholesterol or preparation time of a cooked steak. Modern medicine now confirms that this ancestral practice was directly treating the single most common cause of physical weakness in older adults. That hidden cause is poor tissue oxygenation driven by silent low-grade anemia. You might think your muscles are just shrinking from old age, but in reality, they are literally suffocating. Desiccated beef liver contains massive concentrations of highly absorbable heme iron and natural vitamin B12. This specific type of iron is absolutely critical for the synthesis of myoglobin, which is the specialized protein that physically traps oxygen inside your skeletal muscle tissue. Now, here is where it gets interesting. By drastically increasing your myoglobin density, your aging muscles can sustain strenuous physical activity much longer before they are forced to revert to painful lactic acid-producing energy systems. It is the literal biological cure for that heavy legs feeling that keeps millions of seniors trapped in their recliners all day. Your muscles become weak and unresponsive simply because they are starved of the basic atmospheric fuel they need to contract. Restoring this oxygen pathway changes everything about how you physically move through the world. Researchers at the Pennsylvania State University Department of Nutritional Sciences demonstrated that iron depletion completely destroys muscle function and physical performance. When seniors restore their heme iron levels with desiccated liver, they rapidly rebuild the red blood cells required to carry oxygen from their lungs to their limbs. This offers the highest direct medical return on investment for reversing physical frailty and restoring relentless all-day energy. It provides your body with the exact raw materials needed to rebuild cellular strength from the ground up. Start by taking 4 high-quality grass-fed desiccated liver capsules daily with your morning meal. Never take iron supplements with coffee or tea because the tannins will completely block the nutrient absorption in your gut. Drink a full glass of water with the capsules to ensure they break down smoothly in your stomach. Within just 14 days of consistent use, the profound afternoon exhaustion will begin to lift and your natural physical drive will return. Your body is an incredibly resilient machine that simply needs the right historical tools to rebuild its internal power. You do not have to accept chronic fatigue, heavy legs, or afternoon brain fog as a permanent reality of getting older. The men of the 1970s proved that optimal human energy comes from precise cellular nutrition rather than expensive pharmaceutical stimulants. By reintroducing these simple and highly affordable nutrients into your daily routine, you can completely rewrite the biological script of your aging process. Consistency is the ultimate key to unlocking these profound physical transformations. When you provide your aging body with the correct biological materials, it will always respond by building greater strength. Imagine waking up with a clear mind, sustained physical drive, and the raw stamina to enjoy your favorite activities without needing a daytime nap. You have the absolute power to change your biochemistry and reclaim your vitality starting right now. Which of these 4 traditional energy secrets are you going to try first? Do you believe that the nutritional wisdom of the past was significantly better than the highly processed solutions we rely on today? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below, because we love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.